How to spend less money and get a premium vacuum cleaner. So, it's such a good question to answer. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to Mucho World. It's such a pleasure to see everyone right here. We all know that the leader of the wireless vacuum cleaners is Dyson, but facing the price of the 699 USD makes me scared. And the question, does everyone think that cleaning a room needs such expensive vacuum cleaner? I don't think so. And do cheap vacuum cleaners really are not as high effective as the high-end vacuum cleaners? While you are following me by just clicking on these three buttons, I will find out the answer to these questions. Today, I will introduce you the Redkey P9, the handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. And by the way, recently the volume of the sales has just skyrocketed. So what do we have right now? Let's see what is inside. I got this tool, so let's see, right? There is a manual. This is a HEPA filter. Oh wow. This is air hose. The main part is that. This is a crevice tool. Battery itself. My favorite is mite removal brush. Okay, 2-in-1 brush, which is 2-in-1 right here. The charger, the hose, which is the tube, the hanger, and the main brush. Electric floor brush. You can call it the same way. And you know what? The price has just dropped from the 200 USD to 100. It does make it so attractive, right? Okay, let me start with the hose first, right? The Redkey P9 hose adopts a top-notch gun-style design. You can play any kind of games with your kids. That's all weight goes to the handy part. That's why it's literally effortless to use with the one hand. I'm telling you, it's so easy. You can press the trigger to start it. Yeah, just like that. After booting, the screen will display the mode power in the running state. It uses the latest 100,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, which has 3 gears: high, medium, and the low. The low grade provides 110,000 Pascal, medium 20,000, and the high end 30,000. The manufacturer claims that the suction power performance is as great as a Dyson, so I want to examine it. Let's see if it can handle it. No debris can get away from us. The biggest advantage of this product is its cleaning ability. Now I'm going to test Redkey P9 and Dyson V15 together. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I just put all types of debris we can imagine on the floor, whether it's large particles or garbage such as coffee, beans, and the potato chips, or other rubbish like hair and dust. As you can see from the final results, Redkey's P9 performance was beyond my expectation. In addition, the dust hitting on the carpet can also be absorbed easily under the high-grade 30,000 Pascal suction force. Jesus, seems like the carpet has not been cleaned for months. I really did not expect that it will be vacuumed out so much dirt. I guess you wonder why. Because it has an upgraded filtration system with a full 5 layers filter device. On the official website, it says that it can prevent dust leaks. So let's test its dust collection rate to see if the effect is as good as advertised. I put 100 grams of the garbage on the ground, then used Redkey P9 to collect them. Obviously, all the dirt goes to the dust cup, right? But the thing is, I was shocked by the final results of the filtration system. Okay, there is 99 grams of the garbage. The dust collection rate is as high as 99%, so it's proved. Yes, absolutely yes. I guess you know that you have to keep your filters clean. These ones, right here. So the filters can be washed and reused many times. And also, to keep up with your hygiene, you can additionally purchase other filters as well. During this period of the time, the most surprising thing about this machine, it was the battery life. Because my house is relatively large, of course, I do more concerned about the battery life. The thing is that the Redkey is equipped with the 2600 mAh lithium battery, and it lasts for 60 minutes. Compared with those expensive vacuum cleaners, the long battery life matters. Low gear lasts for 60 minutes, medium gear 25 minutes, and the high gear is 15 minutes. By default, the machine runs in the low gear because the suction power of the 10,000 Pascal is strong enough. So generally, I think low gear is enough to keep up your room clean. I can use it as its highest suction power, but I don't see any requirements for that. So overall, I'm quite satisfied with the cleaning efficiency. Maybe that's why the battery life is still full after cleaning the whole house. These attached accessories are invaluable. Change the multifunction brush, which is right here, to become a small vacuum cleaner for your car, and they can also clean the gaps in your keyboard. My favorite one is the multifunction brush, which is right here. It's easy to install and super effective, especially on a sofa and other fabrics on the bed. You know that there will be a lot of dust mites on the bed, so this small mite removal brush is very beneficial for the quality of your sleep, lungs and breath. Just try it before you go to sleep and you will be satisfied with your sleep, I'm telling you. I also have to mention the design of the hanger, which is very convenient for the storage of other gears, which can be installed according to your own preferences. There are not so many other components parts as a bonus, but they are very practical, which is really a bargain for the price for more than 100 USD vacuum cleaner. And finally, since I used the Redkey, all I can say, it was such a pleasure to use it. Excellent performance in terms of the design, battery life, weight, or a cleaning effect. I think Redkey will be everyone's favorite, hands down. Oh, so the funny part is that the Redkey's upgraded 300,000 Pascal suction power is as strong as the high-end vacuum cleaners on the whole market. So I have this kind of like a question. Is that coincidence? I don't think so. So why should we pay extra? Just for the branding running ads? I don't think so. So it's actually a really good question, right? So the only one drawback is the design of the dust cup, which is right here. Yeah, it will be better if it can be upgraded for the storage bag type. Maybe it's my personal opinion. And it wasn't convenient for me to clean the dust cup, but I compared the price on the internet and it cost more than 100 USD. So I was like, I'm fine. So who cares about this kind of small details, right? So generally, Redkey P9 is a machine that not only can compete with the high-end brands, but also can demonstrate the best results when it comes to household chores. If you like it, you can follow our YouTube channel where you can find other useful videos right here. We always recommend quality products for budget-friendly prices. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye.